today work out the problem under the alternative method. Alternative method. Take on the heading. The third one is the alternative method. Alternative method. Under that, when take down when the uniform amount of drawing is withdrawn by the partner and equal interval under this situation calculate the interest on drawings under alternative method. First off, the next line formula and that first one on first of every month, the formula is interest on drawing equal to total drawings into rate of interest into 1/12 into 13/2. When the partner, listen here, when the partner withdrawn the uniform amount of drawing on first of every month, go to the formula for the calculation of interest on drawing, total drawings into rate of interest into 1/12 into 13/2. Yes, under these, listen here, the total drawing means, listen here, for example, 1000 for month means for 12 months the 12,000 is the total drawing. It is a total drawings. ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is the total drawings. The rate of interest is given in the problem. You know the rate of interest is given in the problem. According to that, calculate the interest on drawing. Then 1/12 is the common factor. The 1/12 is the common factor. The 13/2, it is a very important, right? The 13/2 means it is an average month. Average months. What is the meaning of the average months? That means the maximum plus minimum number of months divided by 2. The maximum number of months plus the minimum number of months divided by 2. The maximum number of months and the minimum number of months divided by 2. ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನ? First of every month. For example, the first of every month means the 12 months is the maximum number of months. The minimum number of months is 12 by 1, therefore 13 by 2. ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ record under the formula 13 by 2 equal to the average months. Average month means the maximum number of months plus minimum number of months divided by 2. What is the maximum number of months and minimum number of months is 12 plus 1 divided by 2. It will baratte. It means for example, first of every month. It means 1st April to 31st March, 12 months. The last month is 1st March to 31st March equal to 1 month. It is the maximum number of months and minimum number of months. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 12 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಅವನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. 31st ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ 12 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅವನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್? ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ 12 months. The last drawing on 1st March. In the year, they withdrawn the last drawing rupees on 1st March. From 1st March to 31st March, only 1 month, that is the minimum number of months. The maximum number of months is 12. Right? I think clear. Okay? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ? Right? The next one, the second formula. The second formula on 15th of every month. 15th of every month, the interest on drawing equal to total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 12 by 2. 12 by 2. Right? The 12 by 2 is the average month. How it is calculated? The 11.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2. 11.5 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Right? The 15th April to 31st March, 11.5. 15th of every month, the partner withdrawn the amount of drawing. The number of months should be calculated from 15th April to 31st March. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ 12 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬರಲ್ಲ, 15 ಸಾವಿರ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore 11.5. The last month, the 15th March, to 31st March, so 0.5 months. Therefore, 11.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2, therefore 12 by 2, that is the average number of months. It is a second formula, right? Anybody have a doubt? ಅಚ್ಚಂದೆ ನಾನು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಹಲೋ 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 ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಹಾಂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ? ಹಲೋ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? The last formula on end of every month. End of every month. For this, the formula is interest on capital equal to total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 11 by 2. 11 by 2 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, the maximum number of month is 11, the minimum number of month is 0. I will explain. The first amount of drawing is withdrawn by the partner at the end of every month means it is the end of April to 31st March, 11 months. The next one, last drawing, is end of March to 31st March, so 0 month. Last day of the financial period, amount withdrawn by the partner, the number of months comes to 0. Therefore, 11 plus 0 divided by 2 equal to 11 by 2. It is the average number of months. The last one. A student, the formula ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Right? Still the problem, very simple problem ಮಾಡೋಣ first. X partner withdrawn rupees 1000 on first of every month. First of every month. First of every month. Yes. Yes. What's the problem? Yes. First of every month. Calculate interest on drawings at 6% per annum. 6% per annum. It is the problem. Calculate the interest per annum at 6% under product method and alternative method separately. Separately. Right? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The amount of drawing is 1000 is the uniform amount withdrawn by the partner on the uniform dates. On the uniform date. ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡು ನೀನು ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಲೈಟ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ
ಓಕೆನಾ
ಅದೇ ಇದು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿರುಗಿಸು ಈ ಲೈಟ್ ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕು ಎಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ calculation of interest on drawings under product method. Product method. Under that, 1st April rupees 1000 for 12 months, rupees 12,000. 1st May rupees 1000 for 11 months, 11,000. Next 1st June rupees 1000 for 10 months, 10,000. Then 1st July rupees 1000 into 9 months, 9,000. 1st August rupees 1000, 8 months, rupees 8,000. Then 1st September rupees 1000 into 7 months, 7,000. 1st October rupees 1000 into 6, rupees 6,000. Then 1st November rupees 1000 into 5, rupees 5,000. 1st December rupees 1000 into 4, 4,000. It is a number of months. Then 1st January rupees 1000 into 3, rupees 3,000. Then 1st February rupees 1000 into 2, rupees 2,000. Then 1st March rupees 1000 into 1, 1,000. Total of product or total product equal to rupees. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1st April to 31st March 12 months, 1st May to 31st March 11 months, 1st October to 31st March 6 months, 1st March to 31st March 1 month. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. The amount withdrawn by the partner rupees 1000. He withdrawn rupees 1000 on 1st April. 1st April the 31st March ಗೆ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is a maximum number of month used by the partner. Same way, the last drawing rupees 1000 on 1st March. From 1st March to 31st March only 1 month. It is a minimum number of months. Right. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, in the alternative method we record the maximum month is 13, The maximum month is 12, the minimum month is 1. That should be average for the calculation of the interest on drawings. Okay, under the product method, calculate the total product. Five, 4 carry, 6, 7, 8, 2. The once again the total 0, 0, 2, 1, 4, 5, 2, 1, 4, 5, sorry. 3, 4, 13, 21, 28, 34, 39, 43, 46, 48, 49, 49. Drawings, this total product. Into rate of interest into 1 by 12, rupees 78,000 into the rate of interest is 6% into 1 by 12. The answer comes to rupees 0000 cancelled, 6 2s are cancelled, 2 3s are 6, 3 9s are 390 is the answer. Improve ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಸ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡನ್ನೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. The next go to the alternative method. The same problem, work out the answer under the alternative method. Interest on drawings equal to total drawings into rate of interest into 1 by 12 into 13 by 2. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the total drawing is 1000 for month for 12 months. The rate of interest is given 6 by 100. The 1 by 12 is the common factor. The 13 by 2 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Come to the product method. In this problem, the maximum number of month is 12. The minimum number of month is 1. So 12 plus 1 divided by 2. It is 12 plus 1 divided by 2. The answer rupees 12,000 is the total drawings. The 6 by 100 is the rate of interest. The 1 by 12 is the common factor. The average month is 13 by 2. So 20 cancelled, 6 2s are cancelled. From 2 divide 120 is the 60. Again from 2 divided by 60 30. The answer is 30 into 13, 390 is the answer. See, the answer is the same. Under the product method 390, under the alternative method 390. Now ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆಲ್ ಡೇಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. I think understand. When the uniform amount of drawing withdrawn by the partner an equal interval, under this time go to calculate the interest on drawing under the alternative method. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 minutes ಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. Any doubt in this?